Okay, welcome everyone. Kevin LaRocca here with Binary Pro Strategies. Today is December 27th of 2018, and it is Thursday. We have one more day for the year, and that is going to be it. We'll wrap it up. But these are all the trades that I made in our live chat room today. And before I get into the tip of the day, I want to talk a little bit about the markets today and let you see my results. I started off really today with which is pretty unusual, but I did start off with the nibble trade, which uses the crystal ball method. And if you're not familiar with the crystal ball method, just go to YouTube, pull up Binary Pro Strategies, and under the educational videos, you can see exactly how the crystal ball works, and you'll see it live as I'm using it. But nonetheless, started off with the nibble strategy, and then I went into the core strategy. And with the core strategy, because today typically is I was expecting a pretty quiet day, which it was, and it was choppy. I trade just onesies for most of the day, and I did a little bit of size only when I had a really strong pattern coming up. And of course, in chat, I always let everybody know when I'm putting some size on, because these are typically the stronger setups, and ended up making $205. So let's talk about the tip of the day, because there's a couple things I want to show you here. So what is the tip of the day? So today's tip of the day is how to increase your odds for profitable trades with 5-minute binaries. And whether you're trading my particular approach, which personally I feel is the best, but and it's been the most consistent, but whatever approach you trade, one of the key factors when you're trading 5-minute binaries is to try to trade a bias on the long side or the downside. I have a bias towards the short side. There is a reason why that is, and I do explain that to my members, but I am biased to the sales. And I wanted to kind of show you something here, because I want to go back to yesterday's results. And I want to pull that up. Let's see if I can get that here for you, because I wanted to show you something that's very interesting. Okay, so you see this was yesterday's results. This was Wednesday's results, and if you notice something, all my trades were sales. All my trades were sales. I am short biased when it comes to trading 5-minute binaries, and I think my average was around 66-67% profitable for the day. Made $533.50. So let's look at today's action. Let's look at a couple things here. I did have some buy trades. Okay, so let's see what happens if I were to eliminate those buy trades. I did have setups. They weren't the strongest setups, but I did take some buys in here. But when it comes to trading my particular strategy, I'll show you the difference it makes by getting rid of these buy trades. I had one. Here's number 2 and 3. Now let's look at the end results. All the rest of these were sales, as you can see. And look at the difference, $940.50 just by eliminating 3 buy trades. So once again, it does go to show, particularly what I trade, that the shorts are a lot more profitable than the buys. The buys are profitable, and I will trade buys. Usually I trade buys with just onesies and do size on the shorts. I think I did size on one of those buys, and that's what bit me. But once again, sticking with the shorts when it comes to trading Nadex 5-minute binaries does make all the difference in the world. So go back, take a look at your trades. If you're trading, if you have a track record, go back and look at it and see where your bias is. Is it on the long side? Is it on the short side? But I bet you if you're looking at and trading 5-minute binaries, you're probably going to see that there's a strong bias to the sell side. So not only can you increase your accuracy, but your bottom line as well. So anyway, that's it for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Any comments, just leave them below, and I'll come back later to go ahead and answer them. So I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. It'll be the last day of the year. I'll do a recap, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Thanks.